problem 7 on Connect. This is exercise 9:11 in your text. It says, remember what you did for the rapid car wash? Well, they actually washed 8,800 cars instead of 9,000. So prepare their flexible budget. So we're going to need all of the same costs, but now we have to flex it downward to account for the 200 cars we did not wash. So this was what we'd planned for 9,000 cars. We're going to have activity variances for all of these numbers because instead of doing 9,000 cars, we did 8,800. So we're going to do the same exact thing, but instead of multiplying by 9,000, we're going to multiply by 8,800. So we're going to say, okay, that means that this times 8,800, number of cars washed, comes to 43,120. Go back and look. Had we done 9,000, it would be 44,100. We did 8,800, so it's less. Makes sense? Let's take a look at our cleaning supplies. 80 cents a car times 8,800 cars. And that gives us 7,040 for cleaning supplies. Then the electricity is $1,200 plus 15 cents times 8,800. And when we do that, our electricity comes out to be $25.20. Our maintenance is 20 cents per quantity demanded. Quantity demanded was 8,800. So that's $1,760. Wages and salaries is 30 cents times quantity demanded plus 5,000. So 30 times 8,800 minus 5,000 comes, plus 5,000 gives us 76.40. Depreciation is 6,000. That does not vary, that's fixed. And sometimes that can vary, but it would have to be something weird. Like a machine had catastrophic failure and you had to overhaul the entire machine or something like that. It would be weird. It wouldn't be something you could actually budget for. I mean, that's like trying to budget for a flood, or a hurricane. You just can't do that. Depreciation, although I have known a few businesses that have budgeted for fires, but that's a whole different story. So our depreciation is 6,000, our rent is 8,000, our administrative expenses are 4,000 plus 10 cents times 8,800 cars, so that's 4,000 plus $880, $48.80. So our total expenses is 37,840, and our net operating income should be, we hope to be, we plan to be, we think it's gonna. It's not there. We think is 5,280. Keep in mind that on all of these budgets, the planning budget, the flexible budget, these are what we're planning. We have not earned a dollar of this money. We have not washed a single one of these cars. We have incurred none of those expenses. We have earned none of that income. These are simply planning budgets. Now, once we put the planning budget next to the flexible budget, we'll be able to come up with some activity variances. In other words, we'll be able to say that our income We expect to go down to 5280 from 5950 because we expect to wash 200 fewer cars. We have not yet washed those cars. That's coming.